What's going on, guys? It is the Pokemon Pack Guide here, and today I'm going to be opening up this 3-pack blister. It comes with a pack of Steam Siege and 2-pack Evolutions and this Blastoise pen. So yes, let's just get straight into opening it. Make sure, if you liked the video, to leave a like and subscribe. I would really like it if you could do that. Alright, so I think we're going to go Steam Siege, and then we'll go Evolution. No, we'll go Steam Siege, 2 Evolutions, but first, this is the Blastoise pen. It's very nice. Stick it there in the background with Kangaskhan. Or no, how about Gengar? Okay, so we're going to start off with Steam Siege and end with Evolutions. Alright guys, here's the code for you. 3 and then 2. We have a Meowth, Litwick, Hoppip, Dano, Litleo, oh wait. It's super lit. Got 2 lits, 1 pack. Persian, Azumarill, Duat. Ooh, and an Xerneas break. That is very nice. And a regular Hoopa. But wow, an Xerneas break. That is very nice. I'm going to go ahead and sleeve it up. I have a couple sleeves over here. Primal Groudon. And I'm going to sleeve it up and stick it in the background. Right with Kangaskhan. So far we're 1 for 1 right now. And now let's open some evolutions. If you watch my other 3-pack blister that I also posted on this channel, then you will know that kind of treated me well, but not too well. I got a nice EX out of it. And yeah, so hopefully I can get some good pulls out of this too. There is the code. 3 and then 2. So we have a Diglett, Charmander, Voltorb, Fire Energy, Vulpix, Nidorino, Revive, Misty's Determination, and a Nidoking break. 2 breaks, 1 and an Archive. Wow, 2 breaks in 1 3-pack blister. That is very nice. Now let's see if we can go 3 for 3 with this. 3 for 3, hollow or an EX or break. Hollow or better. If we got 3 breaks though, that'd be crazy. Alright, here's the code. 3 and then 2. Hopefully we can at least get a secret rare. I've never gotten a secret rare out of any of the evolutions. Onix, Staryu, Pikachu. Sorry if you can hear my dog in the background. Doduo, Nidorino, Switch, Blastoise Spirit Link, a Kakuna Reverse, that is not a rare, and a Mewtwo regular rare. So, basically this is the recap. We got a Nidoking break from Evolutions, and a Xerneas break from Steam Siege. So make sure you leave a like if you liked the video, and subscribe if you're new. Peace.